Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, I'll welcome all the distinguished resource persons and 500 plus faculty members from more than 170 different higher education institutions across India in this national level 1 week online faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective online teaching and learning, which is being jointly organized with KTHM College, Nashik. IQC of the college has initiated, planned, and supervised various activities over past few years that are necessary to increase the quality of the education imparted in our institution. Continuous and sustained efforts have resulted in maintaining our college rank in top 15 slot in the NIRF MHRD ranking from past 4 years. One of the major recommendations of the IQAC was to establish a science foundation which has been organizing multidisciplinary activities from past 5 years involving fellows of all science academies of India, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar awardees, and fellows of IEEE USA, IET UK, Institute of Physics UK, and other prestigious international professional societies. One of the most significant recommendations of the IQAC was to set up an innovation cum incubation center on the college. In 2018, the Ministry of HRD, Government of India has approved Institution Innovation Council in our college, which has paved way for the organization of national level software and hardware hackathons, industry academia hands-on training programs on Internet of Things, VLSI and embedded system design. And recently, the programs related to webinars on diverse topics of science and engineering by the Fellows of Royal Society, UK, are also being undertaken. Student, faculty, and staff training are an essential component in the growth of an institution. In past 2 years, IQC has organized training programs for the faculty and staff members of the college, especially in the areas of ICT, Microsoft Teams, which used for online teaching learning resource, and hands-on training workshop on office software packages tools for more than 200 young women who cannot join regular college but are currently enrolled in the NC Web of University of Delhi. These programs have really helped us in shaping the careers of not only our students, faculty members, and the staff members. I once again thank my colleagues Dr. Shelley and Dr. Renu, along with all the members of the organizing committee who have worked tirelessly for past 1 month in conceptualizing, designing, and popularizing this faculty training program, which will definitely pave way for many more collaborative programs in future. With these words, I wish you all a very best and hope that you will be immensely benefited in this virtual learning experience. Thank you.